Hi, my name is Asa. Welcome to this magical cat guided imagery meditation. In this meditation, you'll imagine going on a peaceful walk in a wildflower meadow. You'll also encounter a magical cat who has the ability to replace any stress, tension, or worries with peace, love, and happiness. Before we drift off to the field of wildflowers, please come to a comfortable seat. You may close your eyes or leave them open with a soft gaze on the floor a few feet in front of you. On your next inhale, allow the crown of your head to lift up, lengthening through your spine. And on the following exhale, allow your shoulders to relax down towards the earth. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your belly and chest as you breathe in and out. If at any point during the guided meditation you notice you've become distracted, gently come back to your breath and return your focus to the guided instruction. And now for our imagery practice. I invite you to listen to these words as I gently guide you. Allow your imagination to run wild, adding any additional details you'd like to create a relaxing and enjoyable experience. Imagine you're walking along a path among a field of wildflowers. It's a gorgeous spring day, and the gentle warmth of the sun feels welcome on your skin. You're safe out here and have nothing to do but enjoy a peaceful walk outside. You walk at a slow, easy pace, taking your time to appreciate the incredible scenery around you. The vibrant wildflowers sway with the soft breeze, infusing the fresh air with a light floral scent. Cheerful birds sing their songs while blissful, busy bees dance from bloom to bloom. Just up ahead, you notice a lovely wooden garden bench on the edge of the path. You decide to take a seat on the bench and rest here for a little while. Far off in the distance, you see two deer snacking on clover. And just in front of you, on the other side of the path, you spot a stunning monarch butterfly fluttering among the flowers. You decide to close your eyes for a minute to take a few deep, mindful breaths. Breathing in, you smell the fresh, pure air. And breathing out, you feel your body relax. You leave your eyes closed for a little while longer to savor the sounds around you. When you open your eyes to gaze back upon the meadow, you notice a cat on the path, a few feet away from you. Excitement spreads throughout your body and a huge smile forms on your face. The cat has very kind eyes and looks upon you with love and curiosity. His fluffy orange fur is highlighted by bright white stripes, and he has a big, bushy tail. His tail is pointing straight up and gently swaying from side to side, signifying that he's happy to see you. You invite him over by calling to him in a sweet way and gently patting the spot next to you on the bench. The kitty slowly saunters over to you and sits right next to your feet, his fuzzy tail sweeping the ground next to him. He makes a sweet, chirping sound as if he's greeting you, and then lovingly brushes his soft fur across your leg. You reach down to pet him, noticing how soft his fur is. You pat the spot next to you once more, and to your amazement, he effortlessly hops up onto the bench and proceeds to stand right on top of your lap and gaze into your eyes. His eyes are spectacular, bright, emerald green with golden flecks and a turquoise ring around the outside edge. He decides to turn around on your lap a couple of times until he finds the perfect position to curl up in. He promptly begins to purr as you gently pet him. You quickly sense a feeling of warmth spreading out from your heart and dissolving any lingering feelings of stress and tension. You realize this is no ordinary cat. With every stroke of his soft fur, you feel more and more at ease. It's as if this is a magical cat who has the ability to remove any negative or unpleasant feelings and replace them with positive, uplifting feelings like peace, love, and happiness. You continue to pet him, feeling more and more calm. A slight nod of your head awakens you, and you realize you must have been so relaxed that you dozed off for a bit with your magical cat buddy. When you look down at your lap, all that's left is a little bit of white fluff. You look both ways down the path, but the kitty is nowhere to be found. You smile as you think about how special that cat was. You carefully stand up and continue walking along the path, enjoying the scenery all around you. When you're ready, you can slowly allow the visualization to dissolve from your mind. Bring your attention back to your body in your room and deepen your breath. Thank you for practicing this magical cat guided imagery meditation. I wish you a wonderful rest of your day.